Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to collect all of your app data on Google Analytics. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys are running a business and are looking to collect relevant info or data about lead sources or where user engagement or traffic gets to, or CPC data or stuff like that, one viable way to do it is to actually export a copy of uh, your Google Analytics app data. Now, to actually do it is pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to open Google Analytics, and then you want to navigate to the dashboard, like you guys see here. So currently, I'm on the home page for my example business. So once you find yourselves here, you want to navigate to reports, as you can see here, this little tab right here, and then you want to click on acquisition, and then you want to select all traffic. Now, once you click on all traffic, there will be a drop-down menu with a bunch of options to choose from. So there's channels, tree maps, source or medium, and referrals. You want to click on source or medium. Now, this will actually take you to the page that contains all the metrics and statistics about your app data. And to actually export it is pretty simple. You want to navigate to the top right of your screen, as you can see here, and there are actually two options. You could either export this or save a copy yourself, and that's it. Now you have a hard copy of all of the relevant data about your company's lead generation or CPC or traffic or whatnot to your computer. So yeah, that's how you can collect your app data from Google Analytics. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we upload guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel as well as making sure that the bell notifications are on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.